In terms of case numbers, Victoria is certainly tracking in the right direction with only 70 new infections recorded today. Some have already been reclassified, taking the total number of new cases to 58. But strangely, this is the second day in a row that the Andrews government has reported on deaths that actually occurred some time ago. As we know, yesterday there was 41 deaths reported. Originally, the DHHS sent out a tweet saying that 22 of those had occurred prior to that day. But just an hour later, Premier Daniel Andrews announced that it was actually 33 deaths that occurred some time ago. Today, 5 deaths have been reported, but the Premier said that 2 of those occurred prior to yesterday. When asked about all this, the Chief Health Officer, Professor Sutton, said that he expects some fatalities are still yet to be reported to them, but he's not aware of them yet.
Are you aware of any more COVID-19 deaths that haven't been reported yet?
No, I'm not. I guess if they're not reported, we can't be aware of them. But I imagine that there is still some reporting catching up with some aged care facilities that need to report to DHHS. They're all tragic deaths, but they're not new deaths. They have been known to the families, they've been known to the facilities. It's distressing to have a number that suddenly gets put out there, but we were aware that the strengthened reporting obligations for facilities meant that there might be some that were known to them, known to the families, and reported to the Commonwealth, but that hadn't yet come through to us.
Premier Daniel Andrews will announce his roadmap out of lockdown on Sunday. Ash?